Hi everyone, good morning. It's been very long time. I did not upload any projects. Uh, Recently we made one project. It's a metal detector for defense applications. Okay, here is the project. I just want to give you an idea for the who want to do the projects for their graduation projects. Okay, here we are using different technologies. We just made the interface between different peripherals. uh, it can be used for general applications and in army or defense related applications. Okay, here I'll show you the application and overall idea of the project. Here it is having a vehicle. It resembles the defense vehicle, and it is having one metal detector. This one we made it in house by using multisim software. We designed and we made the PCB with the in-house equipment. Okay, so as soon as it I find some magnet, metal, it will identify the metal and it will make the sound. Okay, that's an indication of the detection. And the other part is we are using a camera. It's a HD IP camera. It's a mini camera. It is very flexible. The image can be given to any smart device like any TV, computer, phone. We can we can stream the live. Okay, and we are using some servo motors for operating it 180 degrees from to see the all the view. And if you see inside we are using some Arduino. Oh yeah, we did make some programming. We are using simple batteries for the power supply, and some controls are there, and we are using one IR control for the one extra application is there. It's like whenever if the vehicle identify the metal, we want to place some indication there. So we made some mechanical system here. We are going to put some colored item on that area just to make a marking of that danger zone. Okay, we are using a solenoid valve here, some relays we are using, and I'll show you how it will work. Okay, um, we are going to control this vehicle by using a mobile. So I can control this with any phone like Android or Apple. At the moment, app name is mbot. Okay, make a boat. So this app is flexible for all the devices. It can work with through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology. You can control in any direction. It can move. So as soon as the metal detector identifies, sorry, I switch off the power. As soon as the metal detector identifies some metal part, it will make some sound as an indication. Then I can move it back, and this in that area for safety danger zone for identification. I will use one remote control to control the solenoid valve. So this will sorry, just a minute, I have to switch off the Arduino. Switch on the Arduino. See, this remote will help us to place that indication for the danger zone. Okay, so this can be controlled with the remote. So there are many different peripherals are there, like remote is there, camera is there, solenoid valve is there, and metal detector is there, and we are using some make about CPU. So all these are connected together to make this project. Okay, and this is the app. This app will be like this. You can control the vehicle. in all directions, so the vehicle will move as you want. Okay, if you want more details, you can comment on the below. I will I will give you full details to make this project. Okay, hopefully it will helpful to you. Okay, this is how the camera is working on different directions. We are using a small servo motor which is controlling by Arduino. Okay, thank you so much. Like and share.